Indian and British Royal Navy conducted the Konkon Shakti exercise 2021 in the Arabian Sea on 24th October of 2021. All participating units deployed to sea after completing the harbour phase. Within the scope of the exercise, the units are divided into two opposing formations with the goal of obtaining sea control in order to deliver army ground troops at a predetermined locations. According to Indian Navy Western Command and British Carrier Strike Group 21, several warships and submarines from both sides took part in this exercise. From Indian Navy, it's the INS Chennai, INS Kolkata, two destroyers, INS Brahmaputra, a frigate, INS Trishul, a frigate, and INS Calvary, a Scorpion class submarine, took part in this exercise. While from the British side, there are HMS Richardson, HMS Queen Elizabeth, and HMS Defender took part in this exercise. Konkan Shakti drills included replenishment at sea approaches, air direction, and strike operations by fighter aircraft such as MiG-29Ks, Su-30 Mki, or F-35Bs, cross control or of helicopters like Sea King, Chetak, and Wildcat, traversing through wire at sea scenarios, and cannon shot on expendable air targets. Strikes against the combined formation were carried out by Indian Maritime Patrol Aircraft or MPA, Dornier fighters of the Indian Navy, MiG-29Ks, Royal Navy, F-35Bs, and Indian Air Force Su-30 and Jaguars, as well as composite flypast over the formation. Throughout the night, subsurface operations were conducted with an Indian Scorpion class submarine and Royal Navy's underwater remote control vehicle EMAT, P-8I Poseidon, and Indian Maritime Patrol Aircraft and long-range anti-submarine warfare aircraft also took part in the drill. According to Commander of Indian Navy Western Naval Command and British Royal Navy Carrier Strike Group 21, the Konkon Shakti exercise give them the strong level of interoperability demonstrated on the opening day of the exercise, demonstrate that both navies' high standards of professionalism and preparedness to handle any type of regional conflicts. It also shows that the mutual trust of high level and understanding that has been built over many years between Republic of India and United Kingdom.